Welcome to Video Creator, where we explore natural ways for women over 50 to beautifully reactivate their youthful collagen production today. Are you tired of spending fortunes on expensive creams and painful injections that promise miracles but deliver only temporary surface results? The truth is that true radiance begins deep within your body, where natural collagen production naturally slows down after your 50s. But do not worry, because you can actually reignite this vital process by consuming these specific, highly nutritious foods from nature. Today, we will reveal 5 golden foods that serve as powerful biological triggers to rebuild your skin and support your joints. Let us dive into these forgotten dietary secrets and transform your daily meals into the ultimate rejuvenating medicine for your body. Our first remarkable ingredient is peach gum resin, a forgotten beauty secret that Asian empresses cherished for centuries to maintain youthfulness. Harvested directly from the bark of peach trees, these golden tears are absolutely packed with a powerful natural carbohydrate called galactose. Galactose plays a crucial role in stabilizing your existing collagen structures, preventing them from breaking down as you continue to age. When you consume this beautiful resin regularly, you provide your skin with the exact building blocks needed to remain perfectly firm. Many mature women notice a significant reduction in frustrating skin sagging and stubborn under-eye bags after adding this to their diets. You can easily soak these hard crystals overnight until they become soft, plump, and ready to be cooked into delicious desserts. Imagine enjoying a sweet, comforting bowl of peach gum soup while knowing it actively restores your natural beauty from the inside. This ancient remedy proves that nature always provides the most effective solutions for maintaining our skin elasticity and overall vibrant health. Instead of relying on artificial fillers, your body uses this natural nourishment to create a strong, resilient foundation for your skin. It is truly fascinating how something so simple and natural can dramatically improve your complexion without causing any harmful side effects. Make sure to source high-quality, pure peach gum to ensure you are getting the maximum concentration of those precious nutrients. Incorporating this traditional delicacy into your weekly routine will surely bring a youthful, radiant glow back to your beautiful, mature face. Next on our list is a delicious treat you will absolutely love making, a rich, decadent cacao and chia seed pudding. Raw cacao is incredibly rich in flavonols, which are powerful compounds proven to significantly increase collagen density within your skin layers. These potent antioxidants also improve blood circulation, ensuring that essential hydration and nutrients reach your skin cells quickly and very efficiently. Meanwhile, chia seeds act as tiny hydration heroes, locking in moisture to keep your skin looking incredibly plump and deeply nourished. But the true magic of chia seeds lies in their high content of tryptophan, an essential amino acid promoting deep sleep. Deep, restful sleep is the golden window when your body works hardest to repair damage and synthesize brand new collagen fibers. By enjoying this delicious pudding as an evening snack, you are literally feeding your skin while setting up perfect sleep conditions. It is a wonderful feeling to know that eating chocolate can actually be a strategic move for your skincare routine today. Together, cacao and chia seeds form a nutritional powerhouse that tackles skin aging from multiple angles, ensuring long-lasting visible results. You can easily prepare this pudding in advance, making it a highly convenient and delicious addition to your busy daily schedule. Say goodbye to dull, dehydrated skin and welcome a smoother, vibrant complexion simply by indulging in this healthy, dark chocolate delight. This simple recipe proves that taking care of your aging skin can be an incredibly joyful and incredibly tasty daily experience. Our third powerful collagen booster is cordyceps, a highly revered medicinal mushroom known for its extraordinary ability to enhance cellular energy. As we age, our cells naturally lose the energy required to efficiently manufacture complex structural proteins like our essential skin collagen. Cordyceps steps in by directly boosting cellular production, giving your tired cells the vital fuel they need to restart collagen synthesis. Furthermore, this incredible mushroom is packed with unique antioxidants that fiercely protect your existing collagen network from destructive, oxidative stress damage. Many women over 50 experience a significant reduction in daily fatigue and a wonderful improvement in their overall physical stamina levels. When your body feels energized and stress-free, it can finally redirect its valuable resources toward healing and rejuvenating your aging skin. You can easily incorporate cordyceps into your daily routine by adding the extracted powder to your morning coffee or warm broths. The earthy flavor blends perfectly into warm beverages, making it a comforting ritual that quietly works miracles on your cellular health. By addressing aging at the deepest cellular level, cordyceps offers a profound, rejuvenating solution that topical creams simply cannot ever match. It is a remarkable feeling to nourish your body with an adaptogen that balances your hormones while simultaneously restoring your youthfulness. Embrace the ancient wisdom of medicinal mushrooms and watch as your skin regains its firm, healthy, and beautifully radiant youthful bounce. This powerful natural remedy truly empowers you to take control of your aging process from the inside out, naturally and effectively. Moving on to our fourth incredible superfood, we have sea cucumber soup, a legendary oceanic delicacy renowned for its healing properties. While it might sound unusual, sea cucumber is absolutely loaded with chondroitin sulfate, a crucial compound for building strong collagen frameworks. This compound acts like the sturdy scaffolding in a building, ensuring that your newly produced collagen stays structurally sound and firm. For women over 50, this ingredient is an absolute blessing because it not only plumps the skin but also lubricates joints. Many individuals suffering from chronic joint pain report remarkable relief after regularly consuming this deeply nourishing and highly traditional healing soup. The unique peptides found in sea cucumber also stimulate tissue regeneration, helping your body heal micro damages caused by environmental stressors. Preparing this soup is a labor of love, often slow cooked with ginger and chicken broth to extract every drop of collagen. The resulting broth is incredibly rich, slightly gelatinous, and profoundly comforting, making it a perfect weekly meal for your overall wellness. By feeding your body these specific marine nutrients, you are directly supplying the raw materials needed for comprehensive cellular restoration today. It is no wonder that this ingredient has been prized in Eastern medicine as a premier tonic for longevity and beauty. Treat yourself to this luxurious, nutrient-dense soup and experience the dual benefits of beautifully firm skin and wonderfully flexible joints. Nature provides us with such incredible resources, and sea cucumber stands out as a true champion for healthy, graceful, active aging. Finally, our fifth essential collagen booster is a simple yet profoundly effective daily herbal infusion, horsetail and stinging nettle leaf tea. Horsetail is one of nature's most abundant sources of natural silica, a trace mineral that is absolutely mandatory for collagen creation. Silica acts as the master builder, actively converting fragile pro-collagen molecules into strong, mature, and highly resilient collagen fibers inside you. Without sufficient silica in your diet, any collagen your body attempts to produce will remain weak, unstructured, and highly prone to damage. To make this tea even more powerful, we add stinging nettle, an incredibly nutrient-dense herb packed with vitamin C and iron. Vitamin C is the crucial catalyst that initiates the entire collagen synthesis process, making it the perfect partner for horsetail. Meanwhile, the rich iron content in nettle ensures that your blood carries maximum oxygen to nourish your rapidly regenerating skin cells. Drinking a warm cup of this earthy, mineral-rich tea every afternoon is a deeply relaxing way to support your beauty. Over time, you will notice not only firmer skin, but also significantly stronger nails and thicker, more lustrous and healthier hair. This humble herbal combination proves that you do not need expensive clinical treatments to achieve truly remarkable and visible rejuvenating results. By incorporating peach gum, cacao, cordyceps, sea cucumber, and herbal teas into your life, you are naturally reclaiming your youthful radiance. Remember, true beauty and vibrant health are cultivated daily through mindful nutrition and a deep respect for your amazing body capabilities. Thank you for watching Video Creator today. Please subscribe for more natural health secrets, and we will see you next time.